Welcome back to Basics Presents the 3rd annual All Black Affair. Blackout. Blackout. 3 diamonds and pearls. A night of elegance. It's going down Saturday, November 8th from 9 p.m. until 3 a.m. on the lower level of Pier 6. Your musical entertainment will be provided by Jugglin J, DJ iBreeze, and Mr Genius. Hosted by your cousin, Mr Fotogenik. Tier 1 tickets are $60. Tickets available from Freshmenl, N Caboodle, 27th Century Boutique, Jazzy Boutique, and Kouture. Also available online at ptix.bm and blackout3.com. The dress code is black elegance. Ladies, we're looking for the sexy black dress. And fellas, no sneakers. Let's take it to another level. Blackout. 3 diamonds and pearls. Sponsored by Douce and Carlsberg Elephant Beer.